Hello and welcome back to Studio E. Learn English here, anytime, anywhere. Today we're going to continue learning the key sounds of the letters of the alphabet. The letters we will focus on today are V, W, and X. Then we will only have 2 letters to go in our next lesson. So let's get started with the letter V. V is a consonant, and the sound of the letter V is V. The mouth is in the same position as when you're making the sound for the letter F. Your top front teeth are on your lower lip. Only with V, we need to use our vocal cords to make that sound. V. Violin, violin. V. Vacation, vacation. V. Violet, violet. Veronica, verified. The vocal cords vibrate, voicing the V sound. Veronica, verified. The vocal cords vibrate, voicing the V sound. Let's move on to the letter W. W is a consonant. And usually the sound of W is W, W. The lips are shaped like an O, W. The tongue is just floating, W, W. It's a voiced sound, so we use the vocal cords, W, W. Water, water. Winter, winter. Wind, wind. Wanda wished to walk and wander westward in the winter. Wanda wished to walk and wander westward in the winter. Sometimes the W doesn't make any sound at all. It's silent. And that happens when the W is paired with an R. W-R. For example, right, right. W-R-I-T-E, right. Or rap, rap. W-R-A-P, rap. Wrist, wrist. W-R-I-S-T, wrist. He wrapped his wrist before wrestling. He wrapped his wrist before wrestling. Finally, you will frequently see the letter W paired with a vowel, an A, an E, or an O. So A-W, E-W, or O-W. And those combinations have their own sounds. But for this set of videos, I'm going to wait and we will learn those letter combinations in another lesson. Let's move on to the letter X. X is a consonant. There are 2 different sounds of the letter X. The most common sound of the letter X is like a K-S. X, X, X. Box, box. X. 6, 6. X. Exhale, exhale. Max texted he expected expected 6 extra boxes. Max texted he expected 6 extra boxes. Another sound that is made by the letter X is like a Z. We haven't focused on the letter Z yet, but the sound of the letter Z is Z. And it's the same as the letter S, except the Z is voiced. S is unvoiced, and Z is voiced. So the X makes the Z sound when it is at the beginning of the word. It's the first letter of a word. For example, xylophone, xylophone, Xerox, Xerox. Xena Xeroxed an image of the xylophone. Xena Xeroxed an image of the xylophone. And that's it for today's lesson. We covered the sounds of the letters for V, W, and X. In our next lesson, we're going to finish the alphabet, and we will focus on the letters Y and Z. So keep practicing. Please come back. In the meantime, take care of yourself and have a wonderful day.